Hello. Welcome to the Fibula Flap tutorials. Let's begin with the file upload tutorial. First, navigate to the case edit page for which we want to do Fibula Flap planning, and then jump to the Files tab. Next, click on the Add Files button located under the Files. This action will open the File Upload pop-up, allowing us to select or drag and drop our files. Next, choose the specific 3D object STL files that needs to be loaded onto the Fibula Flap platform. For comprehensive planning, it is essential to have STL files for both the mandible and the fibula bone on the operating side, including its lateral surface. After selecting the files, the system will load them with configuration options, allowing the selection of file types for each individual file, along with a display name option. For instance, for the mandible object, choose mandible as the display name, and for the right side fibula bone, select RT fibula, ensuring proper naming for each relevant file. The drop-down menu has two subtitles that provide insight into which scene the chosen display name file will load from, Scene 1 or Scene 2. This ensures clarity and organization in the loading process. After making your selections, click on Submit when you're ready to upload all the chosen files. Upon clicking, the system will initiate the upload process for all selected files. Once the upload is complete, you can view all the uploaded files conveniently listed under the Files tab. Now you're ready to access the Fibula Flap platform for planning. Simply click on the Fibula Flap button. This action will redirect you to the loading page. Once the loading process is complete, all the uploaded files will be displayed in their respective scenes. For instance, the mandible, maxilla, and all upper body anatomy will be shown under Scene 1, while the left and right fibula, their lateral surfaces, and all lower body anatomy will be displayed in Scene 2. Thank you for watching.